This cord here is shielded 35,000 volts. We are the only company that I know in the world that actually creates a shield within a cord or outside the cord. A cord within a cord, how's that? And we put extra time, extra resource into this because we can. Because we don't have stockholders, we make our tools safer. We put more money in our tools, and this cord is shielded. When you use this tool, the PD25 or PD50, when you use this tool, you can have this tool where the cord is on the ground. You're phasing across a box. It can be laying on the box. It's safe. Maybe you're in the bucket truck and the cord inadvertently comes in contact with another phase or the neutral while you're using it. It's okay. It'll be fine. Just make a little adjustment, get it off that neutral, get it off that other phase. It's okay. So just remember these things. It puts a little more safety in your house of safety. Remember what we said? We're going to build our house better and bigger than ever. We're going to handle any storm.